Hi guys, this is Universal Programmer and welcome to another video of Python Beginner series. This video we are going to just write a hello world program. Let's just start it. I've already created a file which is hello.py and I'm going to print hello world. So I'm going to say print hello world. I'm going to save it, and to run it I'm going to press Ctrl V and it's going to run it. I'm also going to show you how to run it using a command prompt. So first open your command prompt at the same location as the file. So as you can see, I have the file over here. To run it, just use Python and the name of the file. And as you can see, it says hello world. You just type in Python, it opens the Python interpreter. You can also write print hello world over here and it prints hello world. So I guess that's it for this video. If you like this video, give this video a like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.